Okay, today we're going to talk about success and error handling within Lambda. So, by default, a Lambda function, when it executes, it either succeeds or fails, and you can view the data on success rates and failure rates for your function in CloudWatch metrics, and you can obviously get more details on why a particular function might have failed through looking at CloudWatch logs. By default, Lambda will retry a failed function twice before essentially giving up. What you can also do though, is you can define a dead letter queue or DLQ. So this will put a message on an SQS queue or send a message via an SNS topic when something has failed after retrying the specified number of times. You could then either manually review that queue, or you might have an automated process which would handle that. A newer Lambda feature is Lambda destinations. Destinations let you do another thing when the function either succeeds or fails, or in both cases. So you can send a message to SQS or SNS, you can create an event bridge event, or you can trigger another Lambda function. That's a more modern way of handling it. As I say, it's a more recent addition to Lambda. You'll see less examples of this, but it can actually be extremely useful. Here's a quick summary of what we've talked about today. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.